Have you ever stared up at the night sky and wondered what secrets lie beyond the stars? Today, we're venturing into the depths of space to uncover what's really beyond the edge of our universe. From the ghostly whispers of dark matter to the cosmic questions about the universe's true shape, we're set to explore 7 mind-bending mysteries that might just change how we see everything. Before we get started, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. Number 1. The Enigma of Dark Matter. Dark matter is a huge mystery in space science. Even though we can't see it, this unseen substance makes up a massive part of the universe. It doesn't give off light or energy, which makes it really tricky to study. But scientists know it's there because of the way it affects things we can see, like stars and galaxies. Think of dark matter as the glue of the universe. It holds galaxies together, and without it, they would just fall apart. Astronomers first guessed it existed because galaxies spin faster than they should. This extra speed means there must be something else there, something invisible, adding extra pull. And that's dark matter. Finding out what dark matter is made of is a big deal for scientists. They have come up with some ideas, like WIMPs, weakly interacting massive particles. These are particles that don't interact much with regular matter. But despite many experiments, no one has directly detected a WIMP yet. Another idea is that dark matter could be made of particles called axions. These would be super light, much lighter than electrons. Some experiments are trying to find these particles, but it's a tough job because they are so small and don't interact much with other matter. Understanding dark matter is crucial because it has a big role in how the universe works. It affects how galaxies form and move, and it might even hold clues about the universe's fate. Number 2. The Cosmic Tapestry. Our universe is like a vast ocean of stars and galaxies. It's not just empty space out there, it is filled with amazing sights. Think of galaxies as islands scattered across this great cosmic sea. Each one is home to billions of stars, much like our sun, and these stars have their own planets. It's an enormous, mind-blowing scene. Now let's focus on how these galaxies are spread out. They aren't just randomly thrown around. They form patterns, kind of like how houses and streets form neighborhoods in a city. Astronomers have a name for this: the cosmic web. This web is made up of long strands of galaxies and gas separated by huge empty spaces called voids. So, what makes this web? It is all about gravity. The same force that keeps us on the ground and makes apples fall from trees is at work on a much bigger scale in space. Galaxies pull on each other with gravity, and over billions of years, they've formed this giant web-like pattern. What is even more fascinating is what's inside these galaxies. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is full of different stars, some older and cooler, others younger and hotter. There are also clouds of gas and dust where new stars are being born. It's like a cosmic nursery. The Cosmic Tapestry tells us a lot about the history and structure of the universe. By studying how galaxies move and interact, we can learn about how everything came to be from the first moments after the Big Bang to where we are today. Number 3. The shape of the cosmos. The shape of the universe is a puzzle that has kept scientists busy for ages. When we look up at the night sky, it's hard to grasp what form the universe takes. Is it flat, like a sheet of paper, or does it curve around like a giant ball? This question is not just about the shape, but also about understanding the universe's nature and how it came to be. In the past, people thought the Earth was flat until explorers and scientists proved it was round. Now, we're on a similar quest, but this time for the whole universe. Scientists use cosmic measurements and complex calculations to find clues. They study the light from distant galaxies and the afterglow of the Big Bang, known as the cosmic microwave background, to get answers. There are 2 main theories about the universe's shape. The first is a flat universe, where traveling in a straight line would never bring you back to your starting point. This idea matches many scientific findings. The second possibility is a curved universe. It could be closed like a sphere, where a long enough journey might circle back to the start. Alternatively, it could be open like a saddle, suggesting endless expansion in a distinct manner. What's really intriguing is that the shape of the universe ties into its fate. A flat universe could expand forever, while a closed one might eventually collapse. The truth is, we're still figuring it out. But every discovery brings us closer to understanding the true shape of our cosmos and our place in it. Number 4. The expanding universe. The universe is getting bigger every second, growing at a speed that even surprises scientists. But what's behind this expansion? It's a force called dark energy, and understanding it is one of the biggest challenges in space science. First, let's look at how we found out about this expansion. In the 1920s, an astronomer named Edwin Hubble noticed that distant galaxies were moving away from us. The further they were, the faster they seemed to be going. This was a huge discovery. It meant that the universe was expanding, not staying the same size. Now, the big question: what's causing this expansion? Scientists think it's dark energy, a mysterious force that we can't see, but can observe through its effects on the universe. Dark energy works against gravity and is pushing galaxies apart. The universe isn't just expanding, it's accelerating, like a car speeding up. Discovered in the late 1990s, this phenomenon has reshaped our understanding of the cosmos. What does it mean for the universe's future? Theories vary. Some suggest the expansion will continue indefinitely, while others propose it might eventually slow or reverse. But one thing is clear: there's still much to discover about our ever-changing universe. Number 5. Black holes and cosmic gateways. Black holes are some of the most fascinating objects in space. They're like giant vacuum cleaners, sucking in anything that gets too close, even light. But there's so much more to them. Scientists think black holes could teach us a lot about the universe. First off, black holes are not just destruction machines. They might be key to understanding how galaxies form. Around black holes, there's often a disk of gas and dust swirling fast. This is where new stars can be born, proving that black holes aren't just about destruction. Black holes might be more than just cosmic vacuum cleaners. They could be gateways to other universes or dimensions. This idea is still in the realm of theory, but it's a thrilling possibility for physics. Black holes challenge our current understanding of science. They are where quantum mechanics, which deals with the smallest particles, intersects with general relativity, the theory of gravity and large-scale phenomena. Unraveling the mysteries of black holes could be key to understanding these fundamental concepts in physics. They are great for testing our tech. We're developing new telescopes and tools to study them closer. Every new discovery about black holes can tell us something about the universe, how it started, and maybe even how it will end. Number 6. The possibility of a multiverse. Our universe is vast and full of wonders. But what if it's not the only one? The idea of a multiverse suggests there could be many universes, each different from our own. This isn't just science fiction. Some scientists think this could be real. First, let's understand what a multiverse is. In simple terms, it's like having many different bubbles, and each bubble is a separate universe with its own rules. Some might have different laws of physics, and in some, gravity or light might work differently. Why do some scientists believe in this? It comes from the way we understand space and physics. In the world of tiny particles, like atoms and electrons, things can happen that don't make sense in our everyday life. This is the world of quantum mechanics, where particles can be in two places at once or connected over huge distances. Also, the theory of inflation, which explains how our universe expanded after the Big Bang, allows for the possibility that other universes could have formed in a similar way. These theories suggest that our universe might be just one of many. But here's the catch. We can't see these other universes. Right now, They are just a part of our theories. We don't have a way to prove or disprove them. So, the idea of a multiverse remains a fascinating possibility, one that challenges our understanding of reality and keeps scientists searching for answers. Number 7. The search for extraterrestrial life. The quest to find life beyond Earth is one of the most exciting adventures in science. We have always looked at the stars and wondered if someone else might be looking back. The universe is incredibly vast, with billions of galaxies, each home to countless stars and potentially even more planets. Could any of these planets host life? Scientists are using powerful telescopes to look for planets in the Goldilocks zone of their stars. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right for life as we know it. They are finding planets that might have water, a key ingredient for life. Meanwhile, missions like the Mars rovers are searching for signs of past or present life on our neighboring planet. Besides physical signs, researchers are also scanning the cosmos for signals. Projects like SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, use radio telescopes to listen for unusual patterns that might be messages from intelligent beings. The discovery of even the simplest life form on another planet would be a monumental moment in human history. It would mean we're not alone in the universe. This search also helps us understand our own planet better and appreciate the delicate balance that allows life to thrive on Earth. As technology advances, the dream of finding extraterrestrial life becomes more realistic. Who knows? Perhaps in our lifetime we'll find the answer to one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone in the universe? The cosmos is more mysterious and wondrous than we ever imagined. If you enjoyed unraveling these cosmic mysterious unknowns, don't forget to like and subscribe.